Intellectual property rights are legal protections for creators and inventors to control their creations. These rights encourage innovation and creativity in businesses. This discussion will explore the definition, types, relevance, and ownership of intellectual property rights.
Intellectual property rights are legal rights providing creators exclusive control over their creations for a certain time. They protect works from unauthorized use and allow monetization of innovations. This ensures creators can benefit from their efforts and investments. Patents protect new inventions, granting exclusive rights to use, make, and sell for up to 20 years. They encourage innovation by allowing inventors to recoup research investments. For example, a pharmaceutical company patents a new drug, preventing unauthorized manufacturing. Trademarks protect symbols, names, and slogans identifying goods and services. They build brand recognition and can last indefinitely with proper renewal. The Nike swoosh logo is a registered trademark, illustrating brand identity and consumer loyalty. Copyrights protect original works like literature, music, and software for the author's life plus 70 years. They give creators control over reproduction and distribution, ensuring profit from creative efforts. A software company holds copyrights to its programs, preventing unauthorized copying. Design rights protect a product's visual appearance, including shape and pattern, for up to 25 years. They help businesses protect unique product aesthetics, contributing to brand identity. The Coca-Cola bottle shape is a classic example of design rights in action. Trade secrets protect confidential business information that offers a competitive edge. They do not require registration as long as the information remains secret. The Coca-Cola recipe exemplifies a trade secret, maintaining its proprietary advantage without formal registration. Intellectual property rights provide a competitive edge by protecting innovations and brands. They prevent competitors from exploiting these assets freely. A technology company uses patents to protect software algorithms, maintaining a lead over competitors. Businesses can monetize intellectual property through licensing, franchising, or sales. For example, a music streaming service licenses songs, generating revenue from subscriptions. This demonstrates how IPR can be a significant source of income. Trademarks and design rights help establish strong market presence and brand identity. A fashion company uses its trademarked logo on products, ensuring recognition and loyalty. This illustrates how IPR contributes to market differentiation. IPR provides legal recourse against infringement, safeguarding investments in innovation. A company can sue competitors for copying patented technology. This prevents unauthorized use and protects market share. LO4 prevents unauthorized use, LO5 protects market share. Creators who develop intellectual property personally own the rights. An independent author owns the copyright to their book. This highlights personal ownership in IPR. Intellectual property created by employees typically belongs to the employer. A software developer's app created for a company is owned by the employer. This showcases corporate ownership in IPR. Collaboratively developed intellectual property can be jointly owned by contributors. Two companies sharing patent rights for a new product is an example. This demonstrates joint ownership in IPR. Intellectual property rights can be transferred or licensed to others for commercial exploitation. A patent holder licensing technology to another company illustrates this. It allows flexibility in utilizing IPR. Patents, trademarks, copyrights, design rights, and trade secrets each offer unique protections. They encourage innovation, brand recognition, and market differentiation. Understanding these types is crucial for leveraging IPR effectively.
In conclusion, intellectual property rights are crucial for protecting business innovations and creativity. By understanding the different types of IPR, their relevance and ownership, businesses can gain competitive advantages and secure strong market positions. Effective management fosters innovation, creativity, and sustainable growth. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via WhatsApp on 074 8436 1688.